What up, bitches? It's the MisanthropikOne, aka Seven Sovereign, back up in this bitch for another rant. This one got me pretty much pissed off when I heard about it. A fucking dude in Illinois got 6 months in jail for yawning in the courtroom. For yawning, like yawning in the fucking courtroom. Do you believe that shit? This dude Clifton Williams, he was at court because his cousin was there for a drug trial. He was being held accounted for some type of drug charge, and during the proceedings he yawned. He fucking yawned, and the judge, whose name is Daniel Rozak, felt that it was in contempt, that it was a boisterous yawn, and gave him 6 months in jail. That's the sentencing. You know, what's up with these dudes, man, abusing their fucking power? That's what I want to know. Why do these fucking dudes, I understand it. I respect the justice system and all that shit. There needs to be laws and everything, but yo, if you felt the dude was being fucking boisterous and disrespectful, why don't you just kick him out of court? Why you gotta give him 6 fucking months? I mean, I read up on this guy. This guy is fucking, he's fucking power hungry. That's all he is. This isn't the first time. This guy is part of the 12th Judicial Circuit. And he's known for giving contempt of court sentencings out. And in the 12th Judicial Circuit, the dude has passed 1/3 of their contempt of court charges. So what does that go to show you? That this dude got a hard on for fucking people over for no apparent reason, you know? He's been known to lock people up for cell phones. And I understand people screaming and cursing in court. That okay, fine. That's blatant, you know. That's blatantly obvious. But you know, like a cell phone, you know, someone might forget to turn off their goddamn cell phone. It's an honest mistake. So what the fuck? You're gonna give someone 6 months for them having this fucking cell phone on? Fucking oh my god! This type of shit is what makes motherfuckers go crazy. You know? God damn it. Supposedly he's gonna get a chance to come out and apologize, and by that time he's only gonna serve, I think it's 21 days or something, somewhere in the early 20s. I think it's 21 days. And he's also done this before where he shortened someone's sentences because they come out and kiss his ass. Well, Clifton, if you're in jail and you got a chance to see this shit, do not fucking apologize. Do not kiss his ass. Stay in there and do your fucking time. Because I know they took that little excerpt from the letter you wrote your family and you say you're in there for nothing. Don't go out there. This guy got a hard on for flexing his law muscles or whatever the fuck you want to call it. Do not fucking apologize to him. Stick to your guns. Say, I didn't do anything. Do your 6 months. Do your 6 months. That's my opinion. I mean, I could understand if you want to get out, but do your fucking 6 months. Because if you didn't do anything, and I know your family, I read your family can't afford to appeal it. I mean, something's got to give, brother. I mean, I feel bad. You know, my prayers go out to you and your aunt Cheryl Mayfield that you're living with. And she had a good quote, by the way, that she said, people are shooting up kids and shooting other motherfuckers and shit. But my boy gets 6 months for yawning. That just goes to show you how crazy this fucking world is. So, Judge Daniel Rozak, I respect judges, but I do not respect you because you are flexing your law muscles too fucking much. Alright? You're abusing your power, and I believe it's fucked up. And other people believe it's fucked up, but I'm gonna say it. So fuck you, my man. Subscribe, leave your love, leave your hate. Peace out from the Misanthropic One, alright? Peace, bitches.